Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Roofer Rev Up review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this training program called Roofer Rev Up. So this is the Roofer Rev Up review, and right now we are on a sales page. So it says here this new program has only limited openings. It will close in just a few days. Any reopening will be at a substantially greater price with my new niche breakthrough for consultants, marketeers, local advisors, or anyone who wants to join this business. You will never fear getting new clients ever again. Remember this word, you have to get clients, okay? Why? Because you will have discovered the number one rich niche, finally, blah and blah. So this is a training program which will teach you all about, I guess, getting some roofing clients. Okay, so let's get back here, and it says target local roofing pros like you will have never seen before without competition. It will automatically have them standing out from any competition, blah blah. So these are key points. How to find the right prospects without using paid ads. It's so easy because the weather websites do the work. How to exploit public weather sites and Facebook's algorithm to uncover the hungriest new roof prospects. So I guess you will be selling some roofing services, or maybe you will be connecting buyers and sellers. So you will be connecting masons or plumbers or whoever with people who need help with their roofing services, I guess. Okay. How to double down and use direct mail to warm up any audience, increasing conversions 5 times. How to drive leads that want to talk within the first minute of approval. The easiest 2 ways to find multiple paying clients in 1 month, right? Now the sales page is quite basic and there's too much theory here, so I will not go through any of this. This is only a shout out if you want to get into this consulting field and you want to target these local clients who want to get their roofing done, I guess. Then you can go and get this training course and see what they have to teach you. And he's Mike Paul, so let's talk about his previous history. He is into this training courses of local business, I guess, servicing. So you click on the profile picture and you see here he's got 4 stars, 4.1, almost 4.2 out of 5, okay? And all his training programs are related to either with lead gen or local business consulting and all that, right? This one is launching today as well, Roofer Rev Up. If you want, go get the copy, and the link is mikepaulonline.com/roofer-rev-up. Go to this link directly and you can buy once this is live. It will be live within half an hour, I guess, or maybe within a few minutes. Okay, by the time you're watching the video, it must be live anyway, okay? So if you want to go and do this consulting thing, because I remember here, you have to get new clients every other day, close the deal, convince them. For some people, this might be a very easy business or a very easy thing to do, to talk to clients. For example, for Mike, it is his bread and butter, okay? He can do this all day long, all his life, because he is so much experience into local consulting, but maybe you are not, right? For example, again, I am making this YouTube video. I make these YouTube videos every day. For me, it's a piece of cake. I don't have to go and ask somebody what to say in my videos. So it's my expertise. Similarly, you have to ask yourself that, is this what you want to do, or are you comfortable in doing it? If you are comfortable in going through the training first, and then you have to find clients and contact them outbound, then wait for their response, then somebody will come, then somebody will ask for your services. I don't know how this will work, but I will not do this. I will not do that, or I will not do this. This is what I'm trying to say, because for me, something has to be certain, and I should not be dependent. I should not be dependent on finding some clients for me making money. That's my personal situation, because I make money without serving clients, without finding clients. But in most of the businesses, you need clients if you want to make money, okay? In this one, you will need new clients every other day, I guess, to keep making money. But if you only want information that what this course has to offer you, then you can go and buy this. But if you're a newbie or you are not interested into this method, it does not excite you that, oh, I have to go and get clients. I can't do that. I can't talk to them. I can't, provide any service. I can't do follow-ups, right? So if you are not interested into this local business thingy here, then you can go below my YouTube video and you will find a couple of links here which will help you to make real money without stepping outside your house. Okay, now number one link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now forex trading is currency trading. You buy currency at low price and you sell currency at higher price. And we're talking about these USD major currencies, USD, Euro, all that. Okay, so if you click on the first link here, you will be on this page. Enter your email address here, enter your name, then click on unlock the syndicate. And once you click on this, then go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the video there, and then you will have to go through the training, because this training will teach you how to set up this machine. Here you can see the virtual machine. And we have this currency graph. So you see here, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now it will be a nightmare if you try to understand everything manually and you want to become an expert, then it will be a problem. Okay, but what we're going to do here is we will be installing a software on this graph, and that software will be doing the trades on our behalf automatically, because we will be giving the settings. Okay, so the software will be buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. That's it. That's all the software is gonna do, and you will be only collecting your profits. However, you still have to go through this training. It is around 8 hours long training, syndicate, and you need to be patient enough to go through the training to learn exactly how to set this up and the basics of forex marketing. And if you will need support, you will have direct access to me over the chat on Skype. Okay, this is for people who want to make money on autopilot with forex trading, right? So you can check this out. Now for people who want to work manually, then you can check out the second link. It says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now. So if you want to make money on YouTube, you want to do affiliate marketing, you want to make these reviews, or you want to make money with YouTube ads, because when you are watching my YouTube video right now, whether you buy something from me or not, whether I sell you something or not, this video has made some money for me already, because you have seen some ads in this video. Okay, because my YouTube channel is monetized. So this Traffic Jarvis will also help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. Once your channel is monetized, you can make money just by these ads which other people will see in your videos. Okay, so we'll talk about these links in a moment. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and Roofer Rev Up training program. If you want this, go and get this. If you're a newbie, you only want to make money online, you have two options below my video. First one is on autopilot, but learning will be required, because this is something new you might not have known of. Okay, you might not have heard about forex trading, or you may have no idea about how to do this. So you will have to go through the training to get the basics, understand the basics, and then set up the machine. And as I said, you will have support with me after you have gone through the training. So everything works. My method, which I am mentioning here, they will make you money with the guarantee if you take action after following the training. Okay, so just check them out here, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, it's all free. And now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing, option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training, and this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.